Welcome to our channel. Printer not found on network? Easy setup guide. Step 1. Check if the printer is turned on. Make sure your printer is powered on and showing no error messages. A printer that is off or stuck on an error screen will not appear on the network. Step 2. Confirm the printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the printer's network settings and verify that it is connected to your wireless network. If not, reconnect it using the correct Wi-Fi password. Step 3. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer and unplug it for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on to refresh the network connection. Step 4. Restart your router. Power off your router for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This can fix temporary network issues that prevent the printer from being detected. Step 5. Make sure both devices use the same network. Check that your computer or phone and the printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Different networks can stop devices from communicating. Step 6. Run the printer's wireless setup. Use the printer's control panel to start the wireless setup wizard. Follow the instructions to reconnect the printer to the network. Step 7. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. A VPN or firewall may block printer discovery. Turn them off briefly and check if the printer appears on the network. Step 8. Update printer drivers. Outdated drivers can cause connection problems. Download and install the latest drivers recommended by the printer manufacturer. Step 9. Remove and add the printer again. Delete the printer from your computer's printer list and add it again. This helps create a fresh connection to the network printer. Step 10. Print a test page. After setup is complete, print a test page to confirm the printer is connected and working properly on the network. Thanks for watching.